Very delicious, fun, easy, doesn't take too long, not too messy to make. This will make anyone who loves to eat surprise any palate and be delicious. And it smells so good and so rich. So this is a rich dish. It's really nice to surprise your friends with, your family, or just for your significant other. It's a great dish. It's you can serve it over rice, over quinoa, or over steamed potatoes. Of my choice, I serve this over steamed potatoes. Pommes de terre à la vapeur, as we say in French. And you saw the ingredients before. We did a little picture of that. So it's shrimp. You can get the shrimp either fresh or frozen. Either one works. You cook that first inside the nice oil there, the grapeseed oil. Cook that first, then you set it aside. Then you cook the butter with the salt, and you start adding the white wine. You start adding the garlic, the onions, then the tomatoes. You let them brown a little bit, then the tomatoes, then the spinach or whatever you have. If you don't have spinach, you can use kale, any of the greens. Then the basil, and the parsley, and the shrimp, and the heavy cream, which is important. You have a delicious, it smells so good, I can't wait to taste it. So while the shrimp is aside, you keep that there. So keep the juice of the shrimp and everything that you cooked before, put it right back in here. So it has that savory, wonderful taste, that rich taste in there. And voila, there you have it. Dinner. Delicious dinner. Bon appetit.